Let's marble some heart-shaped sugar cookies. Now, at the time of filming this, Valentine's Day was right around the corner. But if you're watching this and it's not Valentine's Day, you could definitely do this with any cookie shape that you'd like and any food gel dye color that you'd like. I chose to go for these three colors: electric purple, soft pink, and burgundy. My number one tip for when you want to marble the cookies is to make sure that you're using a shallow bowl. When the bowl is shallow, you have more surface area to work with, so it's easier to get a cool marble effect. And I'm just going to start mixing it a little bit here. I'm using a scribe tool. So today I'm using my soft sugar cookie cutout recipe, and I love this recipe so much. I used to use this all the time when I would sell cookies to customers. Now I'm just going to hold the cookie and dip it straight up and down into the bowl, and then you can either tap it or shake it and just let the rest of the icing kind of run off. Later, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to paint on some edible gold luster dust. And if you're new here, I really like glitter and I try to put it on a lot of things. But it's always optional, of course. I just really thought that these would be pretty with some shine. So in order to paint it on there, we need to make sure that our sugar cookies have dried for at least maybe 15-20 minutes to be on the safe side. After about 10 to 15 or so minutes, royal icing will form a very, very thin crust. You can paint on it, but you got to be careful because if you press down too hard, it's really easy to crack the cookies. So if you're nervous about cracking through them, maybe just let them dry overnight and then try to paint it on. Today I am using edible gold luster powder and I'm mixing that with some vodka. Now, alcohol does evaporate after they've dried down, but if you don't want to use alcohol, you can use a clear vanilla extract. So I'm just going to mix it up to a thick enough paste, and I'm using a food safe brush. I'll be honest, when I sat down to decorate them, I really didn't have any plan. I was just kind of winging it. But you know what? Sometimes I find when I just wing it, I really like how it turns out better than when I plan it out. If you're ever not sure what design you're going for on a sugar cookie, it's really helpful if you have a couple of extra. That way you can practice and try different things to see what you like. And you get to eat them too. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.